Hi, I'm Keith Krieger, Program Director for Computer Applications Training at JCCC. And today we have some tools, tips, and techniques to help you do your work with common computer applications every day. For today's Excel tip, we'll flip it around a little bit and talk about how to put something back together that is already pulled apart. So we have a list of names that have been separated into two columns, and what I need to do is put those first and last names back together in a single column. And there's a couple ways to do this, and I'll show you both the hard way and the easy way. And I'm going to insert a blank column here to hold the new set of names. And in the first cell here, this is the hard way, and this is actually the old way of doing it. We have a function out there called concatenate. And the concatenate function will work. It is mainly retained inside of Excel for compatibility with older versions of other spreadsheets. But if I start the formula with concatenate, we can see the tooltip to tell us that we separate our text items with commas. So I'm going to click the first cell and a comma, and the second cell, press enter, and it does indeed pull those two items together into a single cell. We do need the space in there, so I'm going to modify the formula just a little bit and tell Excel to enter a space, and we can do so by simply enclosing a space in a pair of quotes. That escapes the space, tells Excel that it is a space, and when I press enter, we now get those first and last names concatenated or reassembled into a single cell. But there's an even easier way to do that. And I'm going to modify the formula, and all I want to do in this case is use an ampersand to stand for the concatenation. So I'm going to click the cell holding the first name, an ampersand, a space escaped with quote marks, another ampersand, and the closing cell. And we get the same result with the contents of A4 and B4 pulled together into C4 with a space. Again, we may find that the output of a process generates a spreadsheet with first and last name separated. This is just a real quick, easy way to pull those names back into a single cell that we might use in other situations. Hope this helps your data management tasks here in Excel. We trust you found the tips and tools, techniques in these videos to be helpful in something you can put to use almost immediately. We know that these are things that can be shared easily, and we encourage you to share them with your colleagues and your friends. Post them to Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn for other people to take advantage of. And if you like, we'd be happy to send you the notes of the tools and techniques that we've shown you here today. Please feel free to send us a message at the address on the screen, and we'll get those right out to you. Thanks.